Hello, everybody. Today we are going to talk about how to analyze a website's performance and how to use different tools and what are the information so you can get from different tools when you are trying to optimize a website. I'm going to talk about four or five different tools. And so basically, recently we are trying to improve this website's performance. The website is invigo.com. This is a car rental website. And in this website, it has roughly 100,000 users per month at this point. So user experience is really important and the current performance is not that good. So our main focus is to improve the performance, and in this series of videos, I'm going to explain what are the different techniques and tools that we can use to analyze a bad performing website and turn it into a fast website. If you go into Google and type website speed test, it will actually suggest you different tools. You can just go through those and select the ones that matches the most. I'm going to talk about uh, four or five such tools. This is one of those, which is PageSpeed Insights, and this is the most important one. If you only want to use one, I would say use PageSpeed Insights. It's obviously free. You just come in here, paste the URL, hit analyze, and then it analyzes the website. It provides you a score, which is very important in understanding the improvements. It also gives you score based on different devices. So for mobile, this particular page is currently scoring 17. For desktop, it's scoring 36. None of which is good, and that is indicated by this red color. Another thing that this tool gives us is uh, point out the problems. What are the exact problems that you can try to solve in order to improve the speeds? You can actually filter here as well. So if you notice here, you can uh, filter what are the related improvement points for first contentful paint or largest contentful paint, so whatever it is. Uh, and the third important thing that this tool provides us is it actually uh, links us to some of the articles to help us do this kind of improvements. So as you can see, learn how to improve CLS. So if you're new to this, you maybe don't know what a CLS is. So this can actually help you. So you can read the articles and use the different tools and techniques here. One thing to keep in mind, these tools and techniques are not necessarily directly related to Next.js. So you kind of have to adapt. So you have to use your Next.js knowledge to apply and understand the issues and solve those. But that is not the focus of this video. We are going to talk about each of these problems in the other videos. The second important tool that I use is GTmetrix. It is again another the same process. You paste in the URL, but it has some limitations in terms of how many URLs you can use. It has a very limited free tier. But if you're targeting a particular page or particular sets of pages, it can be very helpful. It shows you the speed visualization, and also it points you out the top issues. Um, Kind of similar, but there are some differences. For for example, in this visualization tab, it is very helpful to see what's going on where. For example, this largest contentful paint, this is now early here, but initially before the optimization, it was somewhere around here. So it is visually pointing us to the problems. For example, as you can see, the last thing to load is fully loaded time, which is pretty huge. So maybe you can focus your energy on this area. The third tool that I would talk about is this Pingdom website speed test. Again, similar process, but the difference here is you can actually test from different areas. So when you're doing the tests, for example, this particular website is strictly based for Middle Eastern users, so Dubai, Saudi, those regions. So you can actually choose the location here, which area you want to test from, to get a better idea of geography-based experience. So if all of your servers are based in the Middle Eastern area and you test from San Francisco, it will not help you that much. So the closer you are, the better the result and the better the understanding. It also provides you a grade. It also provides you the page size, and as you can see, different breakdowns. I'm not going to go each one of those. Just kind of the same informations in a different package, but it helps to have a different understanding or different viewpoint, because if you only use one tool, you might miss some things. So that's the point of using these different kinds of tools. Uh, this one I actually don't use that much. I just used it yesterday. It looked good, but this is another one, Debug Bear. It is kind of generates a throttled performance. You can uh, simulate slow network, fast network, those kind of things, and also uh, the visualization is good in terms of in line with GTmetrix, and it also provides you a video recording of what's exactly going on or what that particular tool saw when loading the page. So I found that these informations, the combination of these informations are often very useful for me to understand what are the problems and start solving each one of those. So that's about it for this video. I have written an article on this as well. I'll link it in the descriptions if you want to check it out to see what we exactly did to improve the performance from 17 to kind of 60-ish range. Thank you so much for watching this one, and there will be more videos on this series on specific topics of or specific areas of improving the performance. uh, Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.